Welcome to Manthan Up Global once again. Friends, today we are going to talk about 10 essential factors of Brahmacharya. Semen retention is a tiny part of Brahmacharya. So it is better to talk about Brahmacharya concept, which is advanced concept rather than semen retention. Friends, knowledge is always important. But what if the knowledge is not digested? So knowledge should be digested, otherwise there is no utility of knowledge. And how to digest the knowledge? We have to follow 10 essential factors of Brahmacharya. Okay, maybe any knowledge on spirituality, knowledge on material world, any knowledge, but we have to digest it. Then only we can use the knowledge in different parts of our life. Nowadays, it's good news that people are coming forward to follow Brahmacharya. People means here I will tell about youths. They are taking interest in semen retention and Brahmacharya. It's very good sign, but they are not able to follow it successfully. Why? Because they are not including those 10 essential factors of Brahmacharya in life. Before talking about 10 essential factors of Brahmacharya, I would like to draw your kind attention. Seminal fluid is a vital fluid. It is not a normal fluid. It deals with the vitality of our body. That's why it is known as vital fluid. Our seminal fluid possesses different types of valuable chemicals. What are those chemicals? Do you know that? If you are not aware of those valuable chemicals present in seminal fluid, you should watch this video. You can see the thumbnail. In that video, we have talked about what are those essential elements of seminal fluid. You must know that. At the end of this video, I would like to teach you one of the most beneficial positive affirmation technique, which will increase your internal strength. Also, it will elevate you to next level of spirituality. So you must learn that technique. I would give you idea about 10 essential factors of Brahmacharya. Just I will tell you one by one. Keep it in your mind, follow in your life, so that we can proceed to the positive affirmation technique. Okay, listen to me carefully. Number 1 is simple and healthy vegetarian diet. Okay. Number 2 is yoga, pranayama and meditation. Today I was doing meditation and I got this idea in my mind. So I immediately noted it down and explaining before you. Okay. Number 3 is less talking. The more you talk, the more you will consume your energy. Okay. Are you getting my point? Because my English pronunciation is not in global accent. Also, I am not so fluent in English. So you have to manage, understand me. Okay. The less you talk, the less you consume your energy. Be very careful while talking to others. Talk politely, talk slowly. Do not consume your energy in more talking or loudly talking. Okay. Number 4, fasting. Fasting increases our energy level. It rejuvenates our new cells. Fasting in every 15 days is very beneficial towards Brahmacharya. Number 5 is most important, association. If your association is good, you may get different types of valuable ideas, motivation and knowledge, encouragement. So be very careful while choosing your association. Number 6 is spiritual practice. Spiritual practice is something different than yoga, pranayama and meditation. Here in spiritual practice, what we do, we contemplate, we think ourselves as a soul. How to practice this? Always try to think yourself as a soul. You are not the body. This is what taught by Swami Vivekananda. So in spiritual practice, you must practice how to live in soul, not in body. You may take advantage of Swami Vivekananda's speech as told in Raja Yoga book. You can read that book, very beneficial book. or brahmacharya. Number 7 is engagement in life. The more you sit in idle, the more your mind will roam across the world, not roam across the universe. It will disturb you more because there are 50 types of propensities of our mind. So it will not allow you to sit calmly. So you should engage yourself to get more and more benefits of brahmacharya. The idle mind is devil's workshop. Do you know that? So I'm telling you, engage yourself more and more. This is very important. Number 8 is higher goal. You should fix your higher goal. You should have bigger ambition of life. Why? Bigger ambition of life will not allow you to sit calmly, and it will always give you energy and motivation, chill and everything to work hard more and more. So fix your bigger goal and higher ambition like Swami Vivekananda, Nikola Tesla, Albert Einstein, or any scholar you like, any hero you like, any role model you like. If your goal is higher, if your ambition is higher, it will help you towards your brahmacharya. Number 9 is image, video and music. Nowadays we are coming across different types of options, images, videos and music. So watch motivational and spiritual videos and images. You can listen to spiritual music or Indian classical music. Creates spiritual emotion in your life. It cures you from inside. It has spiritual effect. So you must listen to Indian classical music and spiritual music you like. Number 10 is keep moving ahead. It is very important. What if you know about 10 essential factors of brahmacharya, but you are not moving ahead, you are not maintaining your consistency, then what is the use of those 10 essential factors of brahmacharya? So you must maintain your consistency and you must keep moving ahead truthfully, honestly and with much confidence. You must have faith in brahmacharya. You must read different types of spiritual books. Also you can follow spiritual masters. Now we will learn about a specific positive affirmation technique which is very helpful towards brahmacharya. You can practice this particular positive affirmation technique early in the morning or before going to sleep. Before waking up early in the morning, don't go to ground immediately. Just sit calmly on your bed. Sit calmly, close your eyes. Close your eyes and repeat these 3 sentences 7 times. Listen to me carefully. Sit calmly, close your eyes. First, take deep breath. Say in your mind, I am Viryavan. Viryavan means I am blessed with seminal power. I am blessed with courage. I am blessed with spiritual power. So deep inhale easily and say in your mind, I am Viryavan. The next sentence, deep inhale, I am Shaktiman. Shaktiman means you have power, you have energy. Repeat that, I am Shaktiman. The third sentence is, take deep inhale, I am Ayushman. Ayushman means I am blessed with long life. I am blessed with vitality and health. You can repeat these 3 sentences while taking deep inhale. Then repeat in your mind and you can exhale slowly. While you take deep inhale, you can repeat this word one by one and then exhale and count 7 times. Like this. I am telling you once again. I am Viryavan. I am Shaktiman. I am Ayushman. Like this you can repeat these 3 sentences 7 times. It will increase your internal strength. It will take your spiritual level to next level. You can't imagine. It will help you towards brahmacharya. You will find yourself. So experience is true knowledge itself. You can practice for 7 days and see the changes, amazing benefits. At the last, I will tell you, keep in your mind 10 essential factors of semen retention or brahmacharya. Take interest in brahmacharya and then follow this positive affirmation technique. So I wish you all the best. Cooperate with me, manage to understand my English. Okay, encourage me, give your positive feedback. I must hope. Share this video as much as possible. See you again in the next video. All the best.